Whether and if, the similarities. Both whether and if can be used in reported speech with verbs such as ask. For example, I asked her if I could take her car. I asked her whether I could take her car. She asked me if I spoke French. She asked me whether I spoke French. She asked if I liked it. She asked whether I liked it. However, there are many other cases when it is only possible to use whether. Let's see a few examples. Whether. We use whether and an infinitive with to after the verbs know, ask and wonder, when there are two or more alternatives or options. For example, I don't know whether to go to the cinema or whether to go to the theatre. It isn't always necessary to mention the second whether, so we could say the previous sentence like this: I don't know whether to go to the cinema or to go to the theatre. You can also use or not, instead of mentioning the other option. I don't know whether to go to the cinema or not. We always use whether if there's a preposition. We were talking about whether we should pay more money for it. We were thinking about whether we should go early or late. And we often use whether when it is followed by an infinitive with to. I was wondering whether to tell you or Steve. I've been wondering whether to speak now or later. If. It's not possible to use if when there are two alternative options, particularly with expressions like I'm not sure, I don't know, and wonder, plus an infinitive with to. For example, I'm not sure whether to go to France or Italy. It's not possible to say I'm not sure if. I don't know whether to tell Michael or Sam. It's not possible to say I don't know if. I've been wondering whether to go by train or plane. It's not possible to say I've been wondering if. Right. I hope that's answered your question. Just remember to use whether when there are alternatives, and you should be okay.